morning and welcome back to my channel. It is just about 5 to 10 and this is my first week off of school, and I thought that I would start it by vlogging. I don't know what kind of day today is gonna be, but I decided to get up, get ready. I have to go to the grocery store, do a little bit of errands. Then I'm gonna go to my mom's house and we're gonna visit a friend tonight. My friend Paul broke his leg in 3 places and we're gonna go pay a little visit to him, and we have a little care package for him, so we're gonna do that. And that's kind of my day so far. Officially on summer vacation. It hasn't hit me yet. And I'm still figuring out life without school. I mean, it's only like a few days that I haven't been at school, but that's okay. Anyways, I'm going to finish getting ready, make my bed, do a few other things, and then we will be on our way. Here's a little outfit of the day. I have just this like long flowy top, just super simple. It's really comfortable, and my good American jeans and these really cute shoes that my sister Natalie bought me for my birthday. I am going to take Walter on a little walk, and then I am going to, yes, Walter, I'm gonna take you on a little walk. Walter has his own pillow, for anybody wondering what that is. Andrew and I got new pillows, and I had thrown mine on the ground to get rid of it, like I was switching it out, and Walter just went up and lied on it and then wouldn't get off, and so I put an old pillowcase on it and gave it to him, and he loves it. He's not lying on it right now, but are you tired? He was up at 6 a.m. today, weren't you? So we're gonna go on a little walk before it gets too hot, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and run some errands. So nice. I mean, there's garbage there, but it's a perfect walking day. Huh, Walter? It is so hot right now. Oh shoot, I need to get gas. It is so hot. I brought one of these. These are my absolute favorite sparkling waters. Nothing against LaCroix. I used to be like a huge LaCroix fan, but this is just like better. There's a hair attached to it. It's my hair, but refreshing. I am at Marshall's and I'm gonna go in and see if there's any goodies that I can find. This weekend I am going to Buffalo to shop, but I haven't been to Marshall's in forever. And so I thought, why not? It's right beside the grocery store. Why not just run in and see what they have? Ooh, that breeze feels so nice. What do you guys think? I like these. Has anyone ever tried these? This toothbrush? I'm so curious if it actually works. I like the idea, but who knows if it actually works. I please get a medium coffee black?
Okay.
That's it. Thanks. Hi. Thank you. You too. Gotta get my coffee for my drive home. Just walked in the door and it kind of feels like it's gonna rain. I know it's gonna rain the next few days, but I was hoping that it wouldn't rain today. I didn't end up showing you what I got from Marshall's. So from Marshall's, I picked up this body massager, and I've seen these and they're supposed to be, let's see if it'll focus. It's supposed to be body slimming. So it's supposed to help reduce some cellulite. I'm a real person, I have cellulite, and you know, it's already like shorts weather, so I want to like massage that cellulite out. I don't know if it'll work, but I need to put this somewhere. With this, the cool thing is I paid $5.99 and I was actually going to order this tonight. It's in my cart on Amazon and it was like $14 or $12.99. So I'm so glad that I saw this. Let's see. Hi, puppy. This. Now I still might order, there's some lotions and some scrubs that I still might order from Amazon, but, and I was looking at Marshall's to see if they had those there, but they didn't. So, okay, I see what people talked about, how this is like, for me, it's like a really large handle, but it's just rubber, and I'm gonna have to like, I don't know what to do. That kind of hurt. I think you're supposed to do this with lotion, actually. Massage up and down movements, stomach, circular motions, legs, massage in up and down movements. I will keep you posted on what I think of this. And then you saw the groceries. I just got coffee, some soup, some stuff. I almost bought a shirt there, but the shirt was 40 bucks at the grocery store. 40 bucks just seems like an outrageous. It was just black and it was off the shoulder. It was really cute, but I'm like, do I really want a black shirt? And do I really want to pay $40? No and no. Do you need a little camera time? Hi, Bubby. Say hi to the camera. Look at those teeth. Look at those tiny, tiny teeth. Where are you going? Hey. Walter, wiggle your butt. Wiggle your butt. Wiggle, wiggle. Look at the tail. I love you. I love you. It is now 20 after 5, and I'm waiting for Andrew to get off the train. I realize I haven't vlogged since like 2 o'clock. Gave piano lessons and spent some time with my mom, and now Walter. Hi, buddy. Hi. Walter and I are waiting for Andrew. Gonna run home and make some dinner, and then gonna go visit some friends. Fun rest of the day. Walter. Who's that? Who's that? See? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Alright, so that's for Paul. Can you put that on your lap? Look at Paul. He's so excited. Hi!
Hi, buddy.
How was your day?
It's good.
I'm the worst. I forgot I was vlogging. So, my friend Paul that we were supposed to go visit tonight is not feeling well, so we're not going to go visit. Just made dinner. Cameras all over the place. And Andrew still has to work, so just eating wherever. This just taco bowl. Just got some peppers, ground beef, cheese, and that's about it. Kind of plain, but that's it right now. It's really good though. I haven't said goodnight. I got ready for bed and realized that I had stopped vlogging. Really quickly, I'll show you something that I picked up. I picked this up because I thought it would look really cute in the bathroom to put like some towels, like a diffuser, a plant. It's too big. I gotta take it back tomorrow. That's pretty much all that I did tonight. Tomorrow is Andrew's birthday. It's exciting. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna have a great day tomorrow and I'm tired. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for my next video. Bye.